Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Boba Fett from the Book of Boba Fett in Star Wars. You know, the Disney show is coming up, the Book of Boba Fett. So let's get started, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so stay all the way to the very end because it's only an 8-minute video. So if you stick all the way through, you'll learn everything. All right, let's get started. Before I do that, I want to let you know, if you like learning how to draw things step by step, if you like learning how to draw your favorite characters and also these kind of cooler characters from media, or dinosaurs or animals, hit the subscribe button right now. Like, definitely hit the subscribe, and it's gonna let you know when I post videos. But don't forget to hit that bell as well, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw a line over here for the side of his face. Curve over here to go down for the bottom of the mask. The mask is gonna be kind of round, right? It's gonna fit a crewmate. Pull across here, and then pull back here. So we're kind of going across the neck here of the crewmate. Pulling up a bit here, and then kind of pulling across like so. Line over here. So now we're gonna make the visor, that famous visor, look like a T symbol at the front. Down. In. We're gonna go from the far side here and pull in as well. Obviously not all the way. And then we're gonna pull downward. Right on. He's gonna have a design at the side here, so I'm gonna draw a line from the bottom here, curve it, and then pull it out again, so like so. I'm gonna go to the other end and do this design on that side. Right there. And now let me do the head here. So right here I'm gonna draw like the dome. Pull out over here, curve down. He has, if you watch the video I did on Boba Fett's helmet, he has this little tag thing that comes out, so it's like a line up. And we're gonna give that a little bit of thickness here. Draw a line across. And it's gonna have like a little square at the top of it. So let's go over here on this side and we're gonna pull the line down for his body. Keep going down here. Line over here. Curve in. Pull up. So there's gonna be a leg down there. Pull across. I like the lower waist. Pulling in for the other leg up. Pulling down for like the chest plate right here. It's just gonna be a square, really. Gonna pull across. And I'm gonna draw the belt across here, and it's just gonna be like a rectangle. It's just gonna be straight across, over here, straight across. That's all it's gonna be. And I'm gonna pull a line down, 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 down. Maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 lines there to make it look like his belt, you know, has these kind of utilities and stuff like that. Gonna go down here and put an extra layer on his foot, and it's gonna basically represent his boots and stuff. He has knee pads, so I'm gonna draw a straight line over here, halfway down the leg, down over here, in, up. It's really just like a square Honestly, you can just draw like a square that's a little bit bigger at the top and the bottom. Just around the knees, just guesstimate where it is. Draw the backpack. It's gonna be maybe halfway through this kind of section here. Top, down, in. You throw a line over here or two, just kind of make it look like there's some tech on his back. I mean, he usually has that rocket launcher thing, but we're not gonna do that with this one to be identifiable as the crewmate, so I really want that there. And you can maybe draw like another square over here, like a line up, square. That stuff is, just make it look like more techy. And lastly, we're gonna draw the cape, and that's gonna be kind of more toward the top here. He's got like this kind of cape going on thing that he has. And I'm gonna draw over here, make it thick at the top, and make it thin right at the back. In here, up, 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 in, up, up, up. Like zigzagging, we want it to make it look old. And it's gonna kind of connect, not at the bottom, not totally at the bottom, but kind of near that area. And last thing is we're gonna fill in this this area of the mask, the very famous area. We'll line up, one more line up, and that's gonna have a shine effect. And we're gonna fill it in outside of that. Like so. And there you go. You got an Among Us version of Boba Fett. Did you draw it with me? Let me know if you did. Let me know if you completed it. I want to know in the comments. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you hit that like button as well if you got through this and you enjoyed it. And that is it. If you want to help the channel out, if you got any value from this video, hit the share button when you press share on YouTube, and you can share it to any social media, I think, in 2 seconds. It's completely free to do so. And like I said, it helps the channel out a lot. If you do want to give back, the best thing you can do is to like and share the video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And that is it. When you draw, I want you to keep it easy.